What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So it has been a minute since I have done or made a video or did anything with the Civic. Why is this significant? It is because the Civic is broken. Yup, that's right, it's broke. If you're thinking about getting a Civic because you like them, because they are fun to build, they're fun to drive, this is a Civic EF, 1991 Civic EF, aftermarket wheels, B-swapped turbo, hydro transmission, fuel system, you name it, full suspension, coilovers, you name it. Now it's not much to look at, but you know, it's fairly built. Piston and rod engine, it's fairly built. So when you get the name in all of these specs that's in this car, you think that it should be pretty reliable. Well, it's not. It's broke now. Transmission broke. Because here's the thing about these Hondas. They are extremely fun to drive, extremely fun to build, but unless you spend a lot of money in it, the same as you spend a lot of money in a Corvette, they're not going to be reliable. They just not. You're looking at a car, an engine, even with the B-swap, about 120 crank horsepower. You're looking at a transmission that was built for 120 crank horsepower, and you're pushing it to 300, 400 horsepower. It's not going to be reliable. It's not going to be reliable. And this is the perfect example. I can literally tell you without a shadow of a doubt, this car, the longest I've had it running in a month, since I've had it, which I've had it for about a year, is a month. Now when I drive it, I'm beating the hell out of it. I'm just not going to the store. I'm probably got a laptop in there. I'm probably tuning it, and I'm doing runs, or I'm on the highway giving it to somebody. And I can't even explain to you how much fun this little car has been. But it's also getting extremely frustrating because it breaks all the time. And I have two cars. I don't want to leave my car out. The homeowner association, last time I fixed the transmission, I had to set it up on jacks. Well, I got a warning from the city. They didn't like the fact that my car was sent out on jacks. They told me if I want to do that, I need to put that bad boy in the garage. Now sometimes these bills, you don't know what's wrong with a transmission to even know what parts that you need to fix until you've taken it apart. And then you got to order the parts, and then you got to wait for them to come in, and then you got to put them in. My car was only on jack stands. I did all of this in a 2-week time period. I got a notice saying that it's been out here for 30 days on jack stands, which it had not, but it wasn't worth arguing. Now I look back on it, probably was worth arguing, because now I can't even fix this without trying to figure something out. So the plan is to just buy another transmission, swap it out in a day, and be done with it. But then I'm thinking, if I do that, what's going to happen? It's just going to break again, because it has literally broken every single month something, and it's always catastrophic breaks. It's not just the simple stuff, it's usually catastrophic. What is the purpose of this video? The purpose of it is, if you're thinking about buying an old school Honda because you like the body design, go ahead and do it, because the fun is incredible. And if you like working on the cars, working on them, that is it's fun to do, and it's easy to do that too. But just know that it's going to be very difficult to build a reliable one without spending a whole bunch of money in it. And I've really spent, if I added, I don't even want to add it all up to know how much money I've put into this one, because I know it's probably been more than what I expected. So now I have decisions to make. What do I want to do? Do I want to cut my losses? Do I want to put another transmission in it and keep it? What do I want to do? I got to figure it out, because at the end of the day, I enjoy driving it. I even enjoy working on it, but it's getting a little hard to work on it when I have to fix stuff that's going to take more than a few hours to do. So that's where we are with this. And eventually I wanted to case swap it. But that's where we are with the Honda Civic. And if you're thinking about getting one, man, go ahead and do it. But just know, when you're trying to add more power, as with anything, it's going to break a lot. But it seems like Hondas break a whole lot. when you try to modify them and add a whole bunch of power for that particular engine. This your boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Hi guys, this your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. You guessed it, your boy finally got some merch. Go to the store today and get you some Vet Life. I know y'all love vets. Now some of you may be thinking, that show is a basic design. Well, my AdSense is basic too. So we gotta supplement that with some simple basic merch. Get yours today. It's gonna be available for a limited time only. We got other merchandise on the site too. And when I say we, I mean me. Support your boy, support your channel. This shirt is only like $20, and to put it in perspective, it take y'all to buy 3 of these damn shirts just to fill one nitrous bottle.